the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, click on the plus circle icon to open the menu options. Then click on the dial pad icon to place a new call. Dialing can be performed by either clicking directly on the numbers in the dial pad or by typing numbers from a keyboard. When dialing, the top of the dial window will display autocomplete suggestions pulled from the contacts for numbers that match the current dialing pattern number. When dialing is complete, press the green dial icon on your screen or enter on your keyboard to begin the call. Receiving a call. When receiving a call, the computer will play a ringtone and the work phone will display the following call options: reject, ignore or answer. Handle a call. When a call is active, the following functions will be available: switch phone, this will move the call to another device if available. Add call, this opens the dial pad to place a second call. The current call will be placed on hold and swap calls will display. Mute, this will disable the microphone. Hold to place the caller on hold. Dial pad to enter digits as needed. Under the More, 3 dots button, you'll be able to start recording if on-demand recording is configured to hide the call to clear the screen.